Alright, I'm recording the sewer line here at 719 Randolph Place. Making this recording from inside in the crawl space. We've got an access down here. I'm about 95 feet out from this access, out at the Seattle City main. So that water you see flowing by right now, that is the city main. And we're going to come back from there to get a look at the line. This is a shared line between these two houses. 715 and 719. So I'm going to zero out the footage, and we're going to come back from bear with me, it's tough to operate down here in this crawl space. I'll just zero that out one more time. And coming back now. So we're in old concrete pipe. This is what we would try to line and replace. This is old clay pipe. Bit of an offset there. Nothing that the liner can't handle. We're upside down now. Rotate the screen around here. Another bit of an offset and a turn. Back in concrete pipe again. So they did sections of concrete and sections of clay back there, and then we're back into plastic. So we got about 24 feet of liner that we'd need to install in order to take care of the rest of this line. The rest of it looks like it's been replaced with plastic up to this point. So I'm going to get a locate on this spot. We're going to pause the recording, and I'll come back and finish the recording. Okay, continuing the recording now. I've located the spot out in the sidewalk where this plastic ends. Looking at about 4.5 feet deep out in the sidewalk, and then 23 feet of liner. So coming back now through plastic. I have no intention of replacing any of this plastic piping. It looks to be in good shape. Through a number of turns there. A little bit of a flat spot through there, but doesn't seem to be affecting it a ton. And we're out of the cleanout now. So I'm going to end the recording there. Got the footage I need to give a recommendation.